the biggest mysteries of history which are still not understood. I'm Tamim. Let's decode the mysteries with all about everything. Number 1. In 1976, people in a small town in the United States, Circleville, began to receive some anonymous letters in which their personal secrets were written. The first letter was received by a school bus driver, Mary Gillips. It was written in the letter that he was having an affair with a school teacher, and the writer warned him to stop this affair, otherwise he would tell everyone. But the strangest thing was that the letter writer knew every personal detail of Mary's life, as if he had kept an eye on her all the time. In a few days, other people also began to receive such letters. In all of them, their secrets and threats were written. In some letters, it would have been written, "We are watching you." Then in 1977, a truck of Mary died in a crash. The police called it an accident, but people say it was a murder. Even after this, letters kept coming, and the whole town was in a psychological terror. The series of letters continued from the 1970s to the 1990s for about 20 years. And no one knows who wrote those letters. What was his motive? And how did he know so many personal secrets of the people of the town? This case was so mysterious that it was also covered in the Unsolved Mysteries TV show. Number 2. In Italy, a 12th century sword was found literally stuck in a stone. Like a real-life Excalibur legend, this sword was related to an Italian knight, Galgano Gaidati. According to the story, Galgano was an arrogant and violent young man. But one day he got a divine vision, in which he heard that he should leave his sword and live a holy life. Hearing this, he put his sword in a rock, and it fused into the stone, as if it had melted and entered inside. What is surprising is that this sword is still present in Monte Siepi Chapel. When scientists studied it, they found that it is not a modern fake. The metallurgical test confirmed that this sword is from the 12th century, exactly at the same time when Galgano existed. There is also a circular tomb below the chapel, where after declaring Galgano as a saint, his body was buried. Some mummified human hands have also been found around there. According to local legends, they are said to be those people who tried to remove the sword and were punished by the divine. Even today, that sword is half buried in the stone. Number 3. There is a very strange and mesmerizing lake located on the Flores Island of Indonesia. This lake is famous because it is made up of 3 different colored lakes, and the most surprising thing is that their color changes with time. These 3 crater lakes are actually built on the top of a volcano, which is called Mount Kalamudu. Their color is sometimes blue, sometimes green, sometimes red, and sometimes black. Without any fixed pattern, scientists say that these color changes occur due to volcanic gas and chemical reactions. Like the minerals of iron and sulfur mix in water to make different colors. But according to local people, there is a spiritual and mystical reason behind it. People of Flores believe that these 3 lakes are the homes of dead souls. Today, Kalamudu is a famous tourist spot, but its mystical charm is still intact. Subscribe all about everything for more mysteries.